There were some old farmers who lived on a rock. They sat in the meadow and thought about photosynthesis occurs in a plant. How sunlight and water would enter the system with CO2 light would excite electrons found in photosystem 1 and would produce some NADPH. Just as photosystem 2 would allow some hydrogen ions boost ATP, which is used in the Calvin cycle where 3CO2 and UV would combine and produce a 6-carbon chain just as invested 6 ATP to ADP and produce half a glucose, then the cycle repeats.